Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Post multiple haul videos, vlogs, all that. So if you like shopping, vlogging, all that, definitely hit that subscribe button on there because you don't want to miss my videos. And today is our first day of our weekly Dollar Tree finds. Once again, another week's coming by and there's like nothing new in any of the stores. I don't know what it is. I mean, I did talk to some of the managers and they haven't got stock. And when they do, they don't have enough people to stock it, and they're too busy with the price changing to stock new items. So, yeah, hopefully they can figure all that out. But yeah, so this is the first store I went to today. Literally, just a bunch of everything. So, let's get started. First off, you guys know when I see this, I grab this. I freaking love this set. It's a 2-step lip kit, dry skin, exfoliating lip scrub, and pumping mask. So, got her. Oh, then I did get some batteries again while they're still at $1.25 at this moment. Then I got this cosmetic bag. I haven't seen these in forever, and I got this for my beach bag. I feel like this is perfect for like the beach, so I got that. Then I did get this little index cards little thing. I feel like this is essentially like gonna work for me. I'm gonna do all different types of things in this because they're tabbed, so I just got that. Then I just noticed this is off. That's great. But I did pick up this what do you call this thing? Work light with magnet, because again, they're going up to $1.50, and these are so good for the basement actually to find stuff. So I snagged that. Then these are making or maybe they were just thrown on the shelf, but I've been scrapbooking with these and stuff, and I wanted more, and it's perfect timing that I found them. So we got the bright set. We got the retro set. If you guys have picked these up, let me know what you guys did with them. Then we have the Zen set, and they make perfect artwork for your room too. And then the Happy set. So I'm glad that I found these again. Perfect for scrapbooking, artwork, whatever. Then this time I picked these up for myself because every other time I've been getting them for people that's been asking, my family. These I got for myself. I got the green one and purple one for me because, yeah, I was like, you know what, my turn. So I got these. Then I got the Annual Snail Natural Moisture Mask. I know this is like an oldie, but the fact that it's resurfacing, I'm like, you know what, I loved it, I'm getting it. So we got her. I'm trying to put everything in a bag so I can organize it, and I lost the bag. Oh yeah. Then I got the Be Pure Hydrating Lip Gloss and Berry Kiss. I don't remember seeing this shade when these like first came out. Maybe I'm wrong, but I love this shade. I was like, doesn't look familiar, so I snagged her, and I did like the soft pink one, so super random. Got more of these hooks. They're wonderful. Then I picked up this towel scrunchies, the 2-piece, but with the pink polka dots. I use these for towel scrunchies. I use these when I take off my makeup on my wrists, wash my face. So these have multiple uses. So got more of those. Then by Global Beauty Care, I got the Pore Purifying and Exfoliating Cleansing Balm. Cleanse, smooth, nourish. Guava nectar, PHAs, and azelaic acid. So we got this. And let's read the directions. Use the applicator to scoop a nickel-sized amount of cleansing balm into hands. Use warmth to... Okay. So yeah, there's a little thing inside here supposedly that you use. So we got her. Then, super random, but I got this lipstick holder because I got this little chapstick, hydrating lipstick. And this isn't spiced almond, and it just looks like this. So that's going like in here. So got that. Then I picked this Pocket Cologne Bergamot Spice Scented. I like this actually. Again, I use men's sprays sometimes for room like fresheners. So I got this because that's what I'm using it for. It actually smells really good. Then boring, I found these again. These are my favorite socks in the whole entire universe. Got them. Then we got this floral lip gloss. I kind of remember when this came out, but not really. So I found it now, and I got it because it's so cute. Then these are old, but I was like, you know what? I need them. So they're just the little finger sponges. Again, these weren't like great, but they worked, you know? So I got those. Then the last thing from this store is the Disney Princess Hydrating Lip Gloss in Belle. And I don't think I picked this one up, so that's why I got it. So I got her. Now on to the next bag. So I did pick up the orange $1.50 pumpkin because I just realized I did not have the orange. I didn't have the orange or white. I have the multicolor. So I was like, you know what? I just have to get this. I don't care if it's $1.50 at this point. So we got her. Then I picked up this photo album because these are going up to $1.50 also. And I love 4x6s and this is so cute. So we got her. Found this again, and this is my all-time freaking favorite night mask, so I grabbed one, and this is going in my travel bag. Then, again, my favorite foundation, medium deep, I don't know, so we got this. Then, I got the remote sleeve, because these are going up in price too, and this fits my little Roku remote, so got her. Then, I got the pink one of Squishmallows for myself because in the beginning I found the green and purple, so now I have all three for myself. Then, the Beauty Fair line, I'm seeing it again, and I needed the Red Cocoa lip plumper, so we got her. Then we got the lip oil in Ferris Wheel Pink Magic. This is my favorite one. Then we got the Jelly Tint Red Sheer Lip and Cheek Tint in red. Where is it? Love this shade. Got her. And then I accidentally got two of the blackberries. So I got the Lip Duo LA Colors in Flushed. So you get a clear, you get a matte and then like a glitter. So I love that. So we got her. Then at this store, found my favorite socks again, snagged them. Then super random, but I got the super glue. These are best freaking super glue ever. Got those. Then really random, but got the drain rooter. Yeah. Okay, we went to two stores today. These two are my top favorite in my town. Got some new things, some restocked before the price change. All the posters are up like a $150, $175. They haven't switched over the price yet, but the posters are up, so I know it's coming in a couple days. So I got the stuff while it's still $1.25. So let's just get into it. So I got more of my favorite freaking lights, all-time favorite. Then, of course, the car little decals, these are going up. So I got these now. And also, I was shocked, these are going up too. I love these. I put pictures in here. I use them as chalkboards. I do a lot with these, so they're back. So I got a couple of each, the square and this one. So yeah, but these are going up in price, so beware. Then I got another one of my favorite LED coasters. I freaking love these, and I love giving these as gifts too. It's a really good gift. Then I got the little remote sleeve in the neon green. I got the pink and I got the neon green. And I have a Roku, so perfect, and these are going up in price. Then I got the diamond painting bookmark. I freaking love these. As you guys know, I do the diamond paintings. So I got another of the green bookmarks because one of my books is green. I'm like, yes. Then, okay, yeah, I showed you guys these. Then this was new by DAP. It's the Tank Bond Liquid Grip. Prevents screws from stripping. Works on all fastener types and sizes. Wipes away clean. Reduces water on tools. So this was new, interesting. Then we got another one of these utility knives, 2 extra blades. Because like I said, we're ripping up carpet and we need these, and yeah. And they're still $1.25 at this moment, so. Then this is new. Fabri-Tac Permanent Fabric Adhesive. Premium glue. Bonds fabrics, lace, glass, leather, wood, trims, and more. So that was pretty cool. So we got her. Then, super random, but these bungee cords are very essential for tying up furniture outside or whatever, and I never see them anymore, so I grabbed a set of these. I don't know why I only grabbed one, but whatever. Then, what I'm most excited about, hello, we have new aesthetic wall collage kits. So this one is Good Vibes, and you get 30, and these are $1.25. They're at checkout, so this is what you get. So freaking fun. And this one's like on the back. So freaking fun. So I'll do a short on showing each one, like what's in it. But this is Good Vibes. Then we have Pastel Peppy, Pastel Bon Chic, Aesthetic Wall Collage Kit, and you get 30 in each of these. Like, look at this one. Are we kidding? So we get this one. And then we have this Jet Set. So cute. And this is what's in it. And then the last one is Fun Food. Oh, this is so fun. So, yeah, there are 4 new collage kits. And like I said, I'll do a short of in-depth of what's in each of these. But $1.25, yes please. I'm definitely buying more. Then we got some makeup. Oh, first I got the purple shampoo, knocks out brassy tones and blonde and gray hair. I needed a shampoo restock anyway. I was like, perfect timing, so we got her. Then we got from the Juicy Cakes collection, Smart Cookie Little Lip Gloss. How cute is she? Then we got the Strawberry Kiwi Jelly Belly Lip Balm. Then we got the Cream Gel Blush in Rose Garden. Then the Kitty Kiss Strawberry. I'm doing like a whole pink theme. Like right now, like I got a pink shirt, I have a pink purse, I ordered a pink phone case. So pink lip gloss to go with my little pink theme I'm going for. Then I had a family request of the, what is this, grape collection from Oni. Then this is a new plum gloss. This is Madness plum gloss. Just a clear glitter, my fave. Then we got the Juicy Cakes little shimmer lip gloss in Sweet Confection. Oh, I love that. Then the last thing from today is the lip plumper in Pink Sesame Carousel, because this is the last thing I needed from this collection. So that is the end of this haul, but I'm editing it, and literally a day later is when everything went up to a $150. That, like, the appliances, dog stuff, electronics, all that. So when I filmed this, it was $1.25 literally yesterday, and now today it's $1.50. So what did go up, I marked, like, you'll see it, I put $150, but that is just insane with 24 hours to that store. But yeah, kind of annoying. But yeah, so that completes this Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. I found some new stuff, some not, but I think the craziest thing is that now $1.50 is officially like a thing. But yeah, so I'm gonna start filming. You'll see me just like this in my next video, because I'm starting to film what I got today in the next video. So yeah, but thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely don't forget to subscribe and comment what you guys are on for, I should be on for, your take on the price increase. And yeah, so definitely subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.